Good day, everybody. This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to use your scuba and your crinoline to create a ruffle design on your turban. For the benefit of those that said they want to learn how to do their ruffle, it's very simple. You need your cloth. You can use doll face. You can use any fine cloth to design it. You can use your crinoline to do it. I'm going to use crinoline of 1.5 so that it will be full. My cloth here is 9 by 32, and I have my cap that I've sewed already. For the benefit of those that have not know how to cut their turban, please check our YouTube. You will see how to cut your turban and sew it. You need your E8000, your scissors, your needle and thread. Now, what you are going to do is that take your needle and your thread, fold your cloth mouth in and fold it into 2. Then take your needle and thread, do your hemming down to the end. Because this is scuba, is very hard. You can use doll face, as I've said, and any other cloth. You make the hemming to the end. When you reach the end of it, fold it inside like this. And sew to the end. You can see it. Then we are going to do the same thing to the crinoline. Take your crinoline, fold your crinoline like this, tie the mouth, now run your stitches to the end as you have done for the scuba. You can see our crinoline. Now, if you are using cloth, you take the mouth of the first one. If it is cloth that you are using, you have to join all the cloth. If you cut 2, 3, even if it is 1 with crinoline, you take the 2, you join it together. Your joining must be from the beginning. in order to draw the thread at the back. Now see, this is where I start and I end it here. And the same thing with the cremolini. This is where I start and I end it. Now where this place, you put your cremolini like this, even if it is cloth. Now you draw it. You draw your scuba with the thread. See the way as you are drawing the thread, the scuba will be coming in. Then I take my cremolini, I put it at the back. You can use your wool gun to join it, or your E8000 to join it. You have to use needle and thread. The two, I'm joining it from the back. You are doing it, you'll be drawing the cremolini too. See? Then look at the end here. When you reach the end, you tack it. You can see what we get after joining it together. It has formed the design. Even if you are using doll face or any cloth, this is how it will form. Now the next thing, I'm going to tack it. Make sure your tacking is neat. You tack.